In this video, we will take a look at the displacer deformer. With the displacer deformer, you need a black and white texture map for it to work. Let's create a plane. Okay, and for us to see the details of the displacer deformer, let's increase the segment of both the width and the height. Let's put it somewhere around 600 and 600. Now it has plenty segments now, the plane, so that we can be able to deform it with the deformer, displacer deformer. If you want to look at the lines, you go to display and then you go to the Gerard shading lines. Now you see that the lines are so tensed. You see, when you zoom back, you don't even see the lines because they are 600 by 600, which is plenty, a lot. It's just to demonstrate how the displacer deformer works. Okay. Now let's create the displacer deformer. So you hold on the bend deformer to reveal the other deformers. Down here we have the displacer deformer. So you click on it and then it comes. You make it a child of the plane. For now, nothing will happen. Let's change it back so that we see it clearly. For now, nothing will happen because we don't have any texture map for the displacer. So to do that, and inside the attributes manager, you come under the shading tab. And then there is a shader here. Okay, so you click this small icon and then you choose the load image, because we are going to load a black and white texture map image. It will open a window and you have to navigate to where you have your assets. This course, the assets for this course, there's this displacer image called the brick 075B 1K. Okay, so you choose that and click no, and you see, because we've now applied a texture shader, a texture map to the displacer, now the displacer can deform the plane and give us that map of that texture. So that is what the displacer deformer is used for. It's used to deform an object based on a shader. Okay, and you can choose to use any shader that you want, only if it's black and white. So let's change the shader here. Let's choose shader, and then instead of loading an image, let's use this Cinema 4D inbuilt shader we call noise. Use noise. Okay, the noise, this is how it's like. You see, has black and white dots. That's why you will see the plane has deformed using that texture. Okay. So that is basically the displacer deformer. Thank you and see you in the next video.